So I just finished installing a top link that I bought on Amazon. It was $150, and guess what? It's working. By the way, this is on a Kubota L4470 series, and the top links are identical. And I'll give you the dimensions and all that when I'm done here. But no leaks. I had to assemble these, and then I had to put the Egg or Pioneer couplings on the hoses. But it came with everything that you see right here. All I had to do is put it together. These fittings were in place, and they're not leaking. And other than that, it went on. I pushed it back a few times to clear the air out of it, and lo and behold, no leaks, no nothing. It went up and down. It's taking my land grader, and it is pulling up and down like no tomorrow. So one thing I did use is I used Loctite 545 on these here. I guess it was a recommendation, and it said like a 24-hour drying time, which I waited a little longer than 24, but obviously it was a good thing because nothing is leaking at all. Anyway, that's about it. I will put the link below where I bought it. My guess is that almost any Kubota tractor in this series and horsepower, give or take 15 or 20 horse, I guess, this link is going to work. So definitely a lot cheaper than the one you would buy from Kubota. I guess we'll see how it holds up. This is only the first day, so we'll kind of go from there.